Today's topic is on the chromatin. This chromatin is also sometimes called as euchromatin and heterochromatin. Both have a different meaning. This euchromatin, that is considered the extended form of the chromatin, and the meaning of U for this chromatin, that is considered true chromatin. This euchromatin, they are making the active region of the chromatin, and in this picture light shaded area of the nucleus and less densely packed, that is considered the euchromatin. These euchromatin are the sensitive for the digestion by this deoxyribonuclease enzyme, and it is around 1 lakh base pair long. Now, out of this euchromatin, some part is hypersensitive to this deoxyribonuclease enzyme, and that is about 100 to 200 nucleotides long, where active transcription factor proteins attach and they start the transcription. So transcription starting part of this euchromatin, they are generally hypersensitive to this DNase enzyme. Now this euchromatin, that is fill up the major portion of the nucleus. Now second, that is heterochromatin. They are considered the inactive chromatin material. They are densely packed in this nucleus. So in the picture, wherever the dark color area inside the nucleus, they are mostly made up of the heterochromatin. Now in detail, all cells mostly derived from the single zygote, but all human cells have the same genetic material and information, but pancreatic and liver differ to each other based on the structure and function. Why this difference is seen? Because 90% of the DNA inside the nucleus, that is remain in the inactive form. For that, histone, nucleoprotein over which DNA is attached, and other factor like protein and transcription initiation and inhibition factors helping in this process and making of differentiation of the different cells. So that is about differentiation of the cell as well as chromatin. So further detail we will look in the next video. Thank you.